Imagine giving your ChatGPT chatbot a mouse, a browser, and saying, "Go plan my holiday, book dinner, or analyze my competitor," and then watching it do the work for you while you sip your coffee. That's not science fiction. It's here today with ChatGPT's new agent mode. In this video, I'll show you how this jaw-dropping feature works, what it can do, some real-life tests from viral videos and articles, and a few cautionary tales you should know before you hand over the keys. And at the end, I'll reveal one thing nobody's talking about, but you need to hear before trying agent mode yourself. All right, let's talk about the magic behind agent mode, because this is not just another ChatGPT update. This changes the whole game. When OpenAI released agent mode in July 2025, they gave ChatGPT a virtual computer with a mouse, a browser, and the ability to actually do stuff on your behalf. Not just chat, act. Just like a real assistant. It's like ChatGPT got promoted from helpful nerd to junior employee who actually gets the task done. So what's happening behind the scenes? Agent mode combines two powerful tools: Operator, which could click around websites like a human, and Deep Research, which could read and summarize long pages of content. Now they're fused into a single fluid workflow. You can even watch it work live, clicking, typing, copying, thinking, step by step. And before it takes any major action, it asks for your permission. That's powerful and safe. Right now, it's only available for ChatGPT Pro, Plus, and Team users. To try it, open a new chat, click Tools, then choose Agent Mode, or just type /agent. Pro users get about 400 agent messages per month. Plus users get 40. So, should you use it? Let me show you what it can do, how far it goes, and where it still struggles. And in a minute, we'll test it live with 3 real-world tasks to see if it's actually worth the hype. For test 1, I gave it a creative challenge: become a professional YouTube strategist. I told it to plan, script, and title 5 viral shorts about trending AI tools, complete with hooks, CTAs, and even reference videos with over 500K views. Within seconds, it opened YouTube, analyzed real shorts, read blog posts, and found tools like Pictory, DeepSeek, and Postwise. For 9 straight minutes, it researched, wrote, formatted, and cross-checked 5 complete shorts, all while I sat back and watched. Here's one of the results. The title: Turn Your Text into Viral Videos, Free and Fast. And it followed the exact 5-part hook strategy we use to go viral. From context to contrast and trust, it hit every point in under 3 seconds. Impressive. It even wrote a clean 9-scene script, targeted at solopreneurs and teachers. This wasn't generic, it was tailored and strategic. This kind of work could take hours with trend research, scripting, and editing. Agent Mode did it in minutes. Honestly, I was shocked. It didn't just give ideas. It gave strategic, structured, and audience-tailored content. Compared to how long this would have taken manually, it's clear Agent Mode is playing in a different league. But is this just a fluke? In the next test, I push it to plan an international vacation with a tight budget. I gave it a simple prompt: plan an 11-day trip for 2 people from Casablanca to Istanbul and Antalya with a $500 flight budget and $40 per night accommodation cap. Include top attractions, activities, and transport tips. It started working and didn't stop for 11 full minutes. It didn't just pull data from memory. It browsed travel sites in real time. I saw it visually scanning CheapOair, Expedia, and Turkish Airlines to find the best flight combo. It even compared baggage policies and picked Thursday as the cheapest day to fly. I watched it visually browse real websites, scan airline results, and compare booking options in real time. Flights? It found the best departure day to save money, compared airlines, and even suggested a night bus to cut hotel costs. Hotels: it listed specific apartments with full kitchens, in great locations, all within budget. Itineraries: 5 detailed days in Istanbul, walking tours, markets, ferry trips, even which ticket to buy for Topkapi Palace. Then 5 more days in Antalya with adventure bundles, rafting, zip line, jet ski, diving, and links to book each one. It even added local transport hacks, food tips, and when to visit bazaars. Honestly, This felt like I hired a professional travel agent. It didn't just give a plan, it built a full experience. And just like that, it proved that Agent Mode isn't hype. It's useful, smart, and shockingly efficient. But in the final test, I wanted to challenge its limits. In the final test, I gave Agent Mode a serious challenge, something even I struggle with. I asked it to become my personal financial advisor and build a real long-term investment portfolio. The instructions were simple. Plan a diversified portfolio of stocks and mutual funds, use dollar cost averaging with a $75 per month budget, limit risk to low or moderate, and base everything on real market data. In seconds, it started analyzing public financial databases, pulling valuation ratios, dividend yields, and price trends from verified sources. For 10 full minutes, it kept working. Screen after screen, it compared over 50 stocks and mutual funds, filtering them by growth, value, and stability. It selected the strongest assets using real-world metrics, PE, PS, PEG, free cash flow, dividend yield, all explained in plain language. Then it added equity-based mutual funds to balance risk, with filters for one-year performance, volatility, and long-term return potential. Finally, it built a full portfolio with risk ratings, rebalancing tips, and a step-by-step DCA strategy, ready to invest. This wasn't a simple list of stocks. It was a data-backed investment strategy, built in minutes by an AI agent. If you want to try this yourself, I've created a free download with all 3 prompts I used in these tests. Whether it's viral shorts, dream vacations, or long-term investing, Agent Mode didn't just perform, it showed us the future of intelligent automation. But Agent Mode isn't perfect. Not yet. Sometimes it gets slow. Sometimes it crashes halfway through a task. And when it tries to handle complex multi-step workflows, it can lose context. That's why, for now, we recommend using it for research, data generation, and drafting, not for high-stakes tasks like client communication or file editing. Oh, and remember to clear your remote browser data in ChatGPT settings from time to time. It's just good hygiene. But here's the truth. You're not supposed to master all this alone. That's why we built this channel. We spend hours testing these tools, breaking them, pushing them, exploring their limits. So you don't have to. All we ask, hit subscribe if you want to partner in this AI journey. Because we're not just reviewing tools, we're building the roadmap for what comes next. And it's better if we walk it together.